Have you ever felt like your hair just won't stay moisturised? No matter how many deep conditioners or leave-in conditioners you use, it stays dry, dull and brittle. Well, the problem might not be your products, it might just be the water that you're using. Yep, let's talk about it. Hard water could be doing more damage than you actually know about. What's up, curlies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki, and if you are new here, I do all things curly hair tips, product reviews and styling. Today's video is all about the topic of hard water and what it could be doing to your hair unknowingly. So what is hard water? Hard water is water that has a high concentration of minerals, mainly calcium and magnesium. It's super common in a lot of cities and rural areas, especially if your water comes from a well or certain municipal systems. These minerals aren't harmful to your health, but they are harmful to your hair. Here's what happens when you wash your hair with hard water regularly. Calcium and magnesium coat your strands and scalp. This buildup blocks moisture and makes your hair feel rough. Since your hair can't absorb moisture properly, it becomes dry, stiff and more prone to breakage. If your hair is colour treated, it will also fade a lot quicker. Hard water can throw the pH balance of your scalp off, leading to irritation, blocked follicles and flaking. For curly or fine hair, this can make your hair lose definition. What are some signs that you have hard water? Well, you can actually check. If you're based in the UK, you can Google it and simply put your postcode into search bar and it will tell you whether you are in a hard water area or not. If you live in London, there's hard water everywhere. But if you haven't got that, you can also tell by just looking out for these things. So your shampoo might not lather really well. You might see some white residue on your scalp when it comes to wash day. You might have some breakage or shedding that is unexplained, and your hair can feel dull, limp and lifeless. Here's how you can actually combat this and prevent and minimize the impacts of hard water. You can use a clarifying shampoo once or twice a week, or you can get chelating shampoo specifically designed for this topic. You can install a shower filter onto your shower head. I've done this and I think it did have a positive impact. Not that I actually could tell that much, but I think it did have a positive impact on my hair. You can pick them on up from Amazon, they're not that expensive. The next thing you can do is rinse with like filtered or distilled water. So especially when you're doing your deep condition and you're doing the final rinse of wash day, if you want to go ahead and use some distilled or filtered water for that final rinse. You can also use apple cider vinegar. I absolutely love apple cider vinegar because it does balance the pH of the scalp and it does close the cuticles and it helps break down the mineral buildup. Lastly, you can also make sure you are deep conditioning regularly to avoid any dryness or brittle hair. Hard water is one of those things that is like a silent killer. You won't actually know about it until you know about it, and believe you me, I think I've been a victim of hard water and leaving my hair wet and it destroying my hair. So if you want to avoid this, or if you want to take some steps to see the prevention of your hair looking like mine, just follow some tips in the video and let me know in the comments what your experience is with hard water and whether you live in an area that is affected by it or not, and I will see you in the next video.